Franklin Rockets, you know we the best. Franklin Rockets don't flex, but you know that we finesse. Always early to class, you know that I'm about to spaz. We might say that we good, but we don't talk none of that trash. You know we going in, no matter what's the outcome. C's, D's, and F's, you know we never have them. Franklin Rockets get it poppin'. Thank you for listening to the track featuring the Franklin Rockets.
Greetings and welcome. I'm Karon, Cunningham, the principal of the fabulous Franklin Steam Magnet Middle School, opening in the fall of August 21. I know that as parents and guardians, your vision for your students is that they are safe and that they have a wonderful learning experience.
The thing that I like about Franklin, I like the school.
What I like about Franklin is a lot of our teachers care about their students.
Hi, I'm Heather Frye, and I have the privilege and honor of serving as your assistant principal at Franklin STEAM Magnet School. You can expect that your scholar will be preparing for college, high school, and career by engaging in incredible project-based learning opportunities in all of their classes.
At Franklin Middle School, I like how teachers help us whenever we ever struggle, and they always challenge us.
We want to make sure that our students are ready for college and beyond college. We have been working hard to design programming that supports science, technology, engineering, art, mathematics.
My favorite classes are science and social studies, and some of my favorite activities are scavenger hunts and Kahoot.
Hey, it's Mr. Tuttle. I am the reading specialist here at Franklin Middle School. I'm in our wonderful media center. And one of our big goals at Franklin is to help students discover a true love for reading.
I like that all the teachers are positive.
One thing I like about Franklin is the teachers.
My name is Michael Mr. B. Bratch, and I am so excited about everything that we have going on at Franklin Middle School. I'm the multimedia teacher. We're doing everything from podcasting, music production, writing books, and then recording the audio books, and entrepreneurship. Scholars are learning without even realizing how much they're learning because they're having fun, they're engaged, and they're excited about the learning. So I would love to see you come and be a part of the Franklin family. Hope to see you soon.
Something I like about school in general is that the teachers will go through a lot just to help you solve your problem or whatever you need help with.
In our STEAM Magnet program, we will have 3 themes that we are focusing on. The first theme is aeronautics. The second one is forensics. And the third one is mapping. And we believe with those 3 themes, we will engage and touch each and every one of our students based upon their interests and make sure that they're ready.
Franklin is a good school because the teachers care about our learning. It's an awesome school.
We also want you to know that at Franklin, we value the diversity amongst our staff because we know that with the diversity amongst our staff, we are able to engage with, connect, reach, and teach all of our students and meet their needs.
One thing I like about school is it's fun, got funny teachers.
We hope to see you walk through those doors in August of 2021.